You're probably wondering what makes this ordinary tractor lawnmower so special to me. It's ordinary. It's got just a basic lawnmower. Nothing really hardcore about it, except its ability to get ghetto-fied. Have a stereo put on the front. It's a boombox. It is running currently on batteries. It is not turned on right now, but let's see how it sounds. What is that? What the fuck?
We want you to think about convenience.
Music selected. Time for more of what you listen for.
Let's go. Let's ride, bitch.
VIP creep, ice name, white man, got some white shoes. So down with my life, they the same time, probably you can choose. Probably get the dance on my song, man. It's too safe. I'm so twisted.
Ghetto-fied.
I'm so twisted. I'm so twisted.
My cruising partner. Say hi, Chris.
High definition. Cook 20 chats, got a traffic lane chill. I ain't mad, I'm shooting a burger, pay the bill. Because the chill, now it's time for me to ride. My release gonna be bigger than the day they last popped out. I'm so crispy. My team 900 street, 850. I'm so crispy. I'm so crispy. My office can't make it on the kidney.
That's the end.